Hi everyone, today we're going to solve for equations, and on the board I have a fairly basic equational type sum which will help us try and solve for x and try to understand equations. So there's a few ways on how to solve for x. I'm going to use the simpler and most used method in solving for x. On the board we have x plus 3, and the aim is to get x on its own on the left hand side. So in order to do that, we need to get this 3 and move it over to the right hand side. And whenever we move a number over the equal to sign, the sign in front of that number changes. So this is what will happen. X equal to 5, and because we are moving that 3 over to the right hand side, that 3 now becomes negative 3. And now we can solve for x. So x will equal to positive 2. So let's move on to a slightly more challenging version of solve for x. So the aim again is to get x on its own, move all the numbers to the right hand side and solve for x. So this is how we're going to do it. To start off, we are going to leave x on its own, and we want to bring that negative 4 over to the right hand side. And if you can remember, if we move a number over to the right hand side, the sign in front of that number changes. So in this case, that negative 4 will change to a positive 4. Then we'll be left with 2x equal to 16. Now, as you can see, x is still not on its own. Now, in order to get x on its own, we need to divide by the number in front of that x, and that number is 2. So we're going to say 2x divide by 2. But because this is an equation, what we do to the one side, we need to do to the other side. So if we divide it by 2 on the left-hand side, we need to divide by 2 on the right-hand side. These two cancel, so you're left with x, which is what we are looking to do. And 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. And therefore, x is now on its own, and your final answer is x equal to 8.